how to fix your welding test plate. So family, if you are testing and you get a situation where you have a little access weld where you're putting a little bit too much in and you're running slow. Like on this situation, he actually went a little slow and he ran it over where it was sticking over the 1/8 inch when he starts doing his cap. So what you want to do is on this D1.1 test, you can actually use the grinder. So you want to grab the high spots down. And once you grind the high spots down, you want to go back over and put your line back. I know you can see the line. We use the cutting wheel to cut that line back because he lost his line. And now, when he get ready to start again, he can start directly on this line and travel up that line. And then he's gonna be tying in from there. But the best way to fix it is, now some of these tests don't require you use the grinder. So if you can use the grinder and they say it's cool, use the grinder, but you got to know how to do it. You don't want to gouge into the plate. As you see, ain't no gouging into the plate. You want to make sure when you got the grinder on, when you're using the grinding wheel, you want to make sure you're using it like this. Don't try to do it like this, like using the grinder from the side, like doing it like this. Try flat. That way you can take your time and drop it down and you're not gouging your plate. It's real important that you don't gouge your plate. So I just want to give y'all a few pointers because a lot of people run into this. But if you got the opportunity to use the grinder, use the grinder. Don't gouge it out and you can still pass the test and make it look good. Hold on.